welcome to Pay the Poolman. Today we're going to walk through the money section and look at the information available here. First thing we come across is this monthly auto billing. This means the totals of the numbers you have entered into auto billing. Let's take a look at a customer to see what we're talking about. So here in a customer's auto bill settings, we see this price here. This is the price that's added into the total of there. So if you do have customers on weekly or per stop billing, that number might look lower than you expect, but if you do have all your customers on monthly billing, that number should be right around what you are looking for. So keep that in mind if you're wondering why it would be a little bit off. It's more of just a guesstimate, especially if you do have those weekly and per stop customers. So here in our year-to-date gross, we're going to see everything billed out for the company in the year 2023. And then in our payments received, we see everything collected in the year 2023 as well. And then the amount owed, what is outstanding from our total gross. Here at the bottom, this is a really cool little way to see how many customers do I actually have being billed each month. And we can see for this account, it's 14. So we see 14 invoices would be generated in our run billing page when we run that each month. So up here, we're going to see a visual of the year-to-date gross, the payments year-to-date, and then the amount owed. And this gives you a little snapshot, kind of a visual of what's going on in your company, and can be a nice way to track. You can reference these numbers through different reports like the cash or accrual-based P&L, and then the expense section in Pay the Poolman, as well as a few different ways. You can look at the total active customers in the customer list and sort through them there, and then the amount owed through the unpaid pending invoice page and the invoice overdue report as well, and to get those numbers if you'd like to export anything or take a deeper look. But if you have any questions about the money section, feel free to reach out to our support staff and we'd be happy to help. Okay, thank you.